Your new otter tie rod may come with a grease zerk. See that hole right there? It's pre-greased, as you can see with the grease in there. So what you need to do is you'll screw this little grease zerk in there. I do like to give it an extra squeeze or two of grease after I get this installed, just to be on the safe side. But if you skip that part, obviously you're okay, because you can see it's full of grease, so shouldn't be a problem. But make sure you get that grease zerk installed. So you just thread it into that hole, and then you tighten it down with some pliers. You're good to go.